Ever shared a file link and wondered who could actually open it, or uploaded a document without checking where it's stored? In this lecture, you'll learn the do's and don'ts of storing and sharing digital files, especially when working with cloud tools like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or SharePoint. You will also learn how to avoid common mistakes such as exposing sensitive files, using poor link settings, or granting access to unintended people. The aim is to achieve good digital file hygiene that protects your data without slowing you down. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the risks of poor file storage and sharing habits, choose safer cloud sharing settings and storage locations, apply file naming, access, and permission practices that reduce accidents. Why file hygiene matters. You may not think twice before dragging a file into your cloud drive or clicking share, but that casual moment can open the door to serious problems, especially when the file contains confidential data. A 2019 report by Varonis found that 53% of companies had at least 1,000 sensitive files open to all employees, often unintentionally. Whether you're a solo worker or part of a large team, your default settings might be sharing more than you think. Example, the Tesla leaked files. In 2023, Tesla faced a massive internal data leak. Over 100 gigabytes of sensitive information, including employee details, confidential memos, and internal reports, was exposed. But it wasn't the result of a cyber attack or malicious hack. The actual problem is the poor file access settings. The takeaway: you don't need a hacker to suffer a data breach. One misconfigured folder or a carelessly shared link can be enough to put your entire organization at risk. Safer file sharing habits. Use view only, access by default. When sharing documents externally or across departments, use view only unless someone needs to edit. If they do, limit it to comment first. Never share confidential files with anyone with the link. If a file is labeled internal or confidential, only share it with specific email addresses, never public links. Audit your shared drives. Once a month, review your shared folders and remove access for old collaborators, inactive employees, or expired projects. Double-check recipients before sending. Autocomplete can betray you. Don't send HR documents to Emma from sales instead of Emma from HR. Smart file storage rules. Avoid storing sensitive files on personal drives or desktops. Always use approved, secure cloud storage systems, especially for client data or finance records. Label folders by access level. Use tags or color codes. Green, public; yellow, internal; red, confidential. Don't mix file types. Keep reports, personal data, creative assets, and meeting notes in separate folders with relevant permissions. Your file hygiene checklist. Before you store or share a file, ask, is this file public, internal, or confidential? Who needs access to it? Am I sharing with anyone with the link or specific people? Does the person need edit access or just view? Where is the file stored, and is that location secure? File hygiene isn't about locking everything down. It's about thinking before you share and treating files based on how important they really are. A few simple habits like changing default link settings, storing files in secure folders, and cleaning up shared drives can protect your entire team from embarrassing and expensive mistakes.